Have a look at the channel name, Tim Reborn History. This channel has gained 49.5 thousand subscribers by just posting 7 videos. Just look at the videos on this channel. Each of their videos is gaining massive views. The amazing part is that all of this is done using free AI tools. Here is the other channel name, Majestics Studio. This channel has gained 188,000 subscribers by just posting 88 videos. When I checked the earnings, I found that this channel is earning almost $1,000 every month just from AdSense revenue alone. Its total view count is more than 2 million after just uploading 7 videos. Now, you might be thinking, how can you make these types of AI videos? Don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create these types of AI videos, and to make them you'll need these master prompts, which you can find in my WhatsApp channel and in Telegram as well. So simply download them from there. In this prompt everything is mentioned: channel analytics, topics, script, scenes, image prompt and then video prompts. Once you have this prompt, you can see the first channel analysis prompt here. Now, you simply need to copy this entire first prompt from here and then head over to ChatGPT and paste it there. After pasting it, open YouTube and go to the channel called Tim Reborn History. Then take a screenshot of the channel name and subscriber count. Go back to ChatGPT and attach it there. Next, go back to the channel again and take screenshots of all the videos below so that the titles, thumbnails and view counts are clearly visible. Then return to ChatGPT and paste those images there as well. Once everything is added, simply hit next and ChatGPT will start analyzing the images. In just a few seconds, you'll have all the important information, like what type of videos this channel creates, such as documentary-style AI videos, educational content, the overall theme of the channel, and much more. You don't need to read every single detail, because this video already contains everything you need to create these types of videos. Now that the channel analysis is complete, the next step is to ask ChatGPT for topic ideas to create a video. For that, go back to the document again, and below you'll see the topic prompt section. Simply copy that entire prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. Inside the prompt, you'll see an option asking how many topics you want. I usually go with 10, but you can choose any number you prefer. Then hit next. ChatGPT will now start generating video topic ideas for you. First, it will provide the list of topics, and below that it will also explain the virality concept behind each topic, so you can decide which one has the highest potential. From these, you can choose the topic you like the most. For example, I personally like the 6th topic because I believe this one has strong viral potential, and once you have selected your topic, it's time to generate the script for the video. For that, go back to the document again, and below you can see the script option. Just copy this entire prompt from here. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the first line of the prompt, it asks you to enter your video topic idea. So simply copy the topic you selected earlier and paste it into the prompt. Next, it asks how many minutes long you want the video to be. Since this is just a tutorial, I choose a 2-minute script. Then simply hit next and ChatGPT will start generating a complete script for you. It will also provide instructions about what should appear in the video, like the opening and final scenes. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do everything step by step. Once we have our script ready, it's time to generate scenes for the script. For that, go back to the document again, and below you'll see the scenes prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt from here, then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the prompt, it is written that if the scenes are less than 30, ChatGPT should provide them in one go. And if they are more than 30, it should provide them in parts. Now, simply hit enter. First, it will tell you the total number of scenes, and then it will start generating all the scenes one by one. In this case, you'll get around 22 scenes ready for your video. Now it's time to generate visuals from these scenes. For that we need image prompts. So again, head back to the document, and below you'll see the image prompt section. Simply copy that entire prompt from here. Then go to ChatGPT and paste it there. After that, hit next, and ChatGPT will start providing scene-wise image prompts that you can use to create your visuals like this. It will generate a total of 22 image prompts for all the scenes. Now it's time to generate images. For this, I will use Google Flow. Open a new tab and type Google Flow, click on the first link. To generate an image, copy the first image prompt and click on the prompt box and paste your copied prompt here. Here is a little setting to do. Select the aspect ratio you want to for your image, then how many images you want to generate. It will cost you 0 credit. Then click on Model and choose Nano Banana 2. Then click on Generate. It will start generating your image, and in a few seconds your image will be ready. This is our first image, black screen. Now let's generate another image. For that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt from there. Then return to Google Flow. Paste your second image prompt into the prompt box and click Generate again. Just look at the results. The quality of the image is amazing. Download it in 2K resolution. Now repeat the same process for every image. You will get the high quality result. As you can see, the results I have generated a few images to show you, and their result is amazing. Once all your images are ready, it's time to convert the images into video. For that, head over to the prompt again, and below you'll see the video prompt section. Simply copy this entire prompt from here. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Hit next, and ChatGPT will start generating video prompts for you. In a few moments, all your video prompts will be ready. Now I will tell you 2 methods from where you can generate your videos. The first one is Meta AI. Open a new tab and type Meta AI. Click on Create Video. Upload the first image by clicking on the plus icon. Go to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt and paste it here now. Click on Animate. It will take a few seconds to generate the video. And here is the first scene is ready. Repeat the same process and generate the second video. You can see the result of the video is amazing. And did you notice one thing? The video has no sound. Meta AI is video generation tool which has no sound. But don't worry, I will teach you another method. Download the video. As you can see, I have Ultra Plan of Google Flow, and this is the video I generated earlier from Google Flow. Watch the result. This AI tool generates 8-second long video and also has background sound. If you really want to do something in YouTube, then you have to buy tools for the video generation. You can contact me on WhatsApp number, which is given in my WhatsApp channel, and I will give you AI tools at low rates. After generating all the videos, we want narration. So head back to ChatGPT and type "Now give me the narration line for each scene" and hit enter. ChatGPT will give you narration for every scene. Now open a new tab and type minimax.io and hit enter. From this tool you can generate voice of your script. You can also use 11 Labs. Click on the voice over artist, click on filters. From here you can choose language, accent, make or female, and the style of the narration. After clicking of apply filters, Minimax will give you the artist details according to your filter you selected. Listen to every voice artist and pick the voice you like. After selecting the voice over artist, go back to ChatGPT and copy the complete narration. Now cut the parts wherever the scene number is mentioned. Now click on the generate. Within a few seconds your voice is ready. Now our last step is to combine all the parts into the one scene, which is editing. For editing, I am using Adobe Premiere. You can use other editing tool you prefer. Click on new project, give the name of the project, import the files here and then drag and drop it to the timeline. Now arrange them in sequence. Now import the narration voice and adjust it according to the video. Make sure your audio and video should sync together. After that export, the video and your video are ready to publish. And just like that, you can create these types of AI videos for free without wasting time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And until then, keep going. Bye bye.